Hey guys, welcome back. This is the first episode of the Project Polo, and as I told you, the first episode is going to be the bumper change conversion, whatever you call. So first, we are going to change this complete bumper front and back to the 2022 model. As I told, this is the 13 model Polo, and we're going to convert it to the latest 2022 model. Yeah, let's remove the old bumper and let's fix the new bumper. Come on. So guys, to remove the back rear bumper, you have to remove the tail light as well. Disconnect the connections. Yeah. Now let's remove the right one. Okay. To remove the tail lights, you have to remove the screws first. Yeah. Disconnect the connections. Yeah. We have removed it. Guys, make sure you're disconnecting the wires in a proper way and take a few pictures so you can refix it in a proper way. So the guy is doing very well. He's disconnecting camera voice and sensor voice in a proper way. Yeah, we almost got it. Yeah guys, we have successfully removed the rear bumper. You can see how dirty it is. It's been not removed from very long. Okay, now it's time to remove all the sensor which is installed here. You can see one, two, and three, four sensors are there, and here the reverse camera. So guys, he has mentioned sensors number here 1, 2, 3, 4, because at the time of refixing, he can fix number wise properly. Yeah, he removed the sensors. I mean, he removed the sensor wise. These are the sensors which to be removed now again. So guys, here is the new bumper. This is the type 3 bumper. Okay, we have repainted this. You will get this bumper in a gray without painted bumper. So you have to fix all these parts. I have all the accessories. Reflector will be here and diffusers will be installed here. So yeah, this is going to be installed here now. As I told, the reflectors is getting installed. Yeah, perfect. Yeah. So these are two number plate lights, and this is the number plate light. I'm going to install the old one, and before that I'm going to clean this, and I'm going to reinstall there to the new bumper. Yeah, now the another part is here. And one more part which going to get installed here, and these two will be installed to the bumper. Just make sure every lock is getting fitted perfectly. So guys, how beautiful the bumper is actually. So while installing, make sure that you're not scratching the bumper because it's newly repainted. So guys, try to take a measurement of these sensors which is installed, and you have to make holes here into the new bumper, and you have to install those sensors. You can see there is a lot of difference in these two bumpers, guys. So guys, let's remove the front bumper now. Open the bonnet first. Yeah. Okay. Okay, first open the front grille. So guys, this is the old grill. New grills will be installed here and here as well. Hmm? Disconnect the fog lamp. Yeah. Successfully disconnected. Now remove the bumper. Guys, we have removed the bumper successfully. You can see the look now. So guys, I'm going to take this bulb and I'm going to reinstall into the new bumper. The bulb will be installed, not the entire light, the fog lamp. There is new fog lamp for the new bumper. Can't believe this is my car. Let's wash this. There is a lot of dirt in this rear part. So guys, here is the front bumper, the type 3 bumper, and there is lot of accessories to be fitted. These are the accessories to be fitted to the front bumper. Yeah, first let's fix these things. अच्छा, भाई, well, just make sure every clip is getting fixed properly, so in future you will not face any fixing issue. Okay, you can see guys the lock, it's perfectly fixed now. You can see, and here he's trying. So this grill is fixed successfully, and now let's install the fog lamp frame. So guys, this part also should get installed here, and another one is there. The fog lamp will be installed inside that, and that part will be inside here. New fog lamps. The bulb will be not provided. You have to use your old bulb to the new fog lamp. This guy is busy with his kid on call. Let him enjoy the work. So this part is getting installed now. Yeah. And guys, one more part is getting installed. This is a type of splitter, we can call it. Yeah, this is spoiler strip. See, once it's get completed, I'll show you the complete bumper, how it looks. So let's complete this process first. So guys, the complete process of bumper is done. It was pretty complicated thing to complete the work. It took our half day to fix all these parts. Now the grill is getting fixed. Okay guys, let's remove the old bumper holder. This is the old bumper holder, and we are going to fix the new bumper holder. So let's remove the old one. Yeah, so this is the new holder. So the new bumper will fit perfectly. Now let's remove the right side holder. So guys, the complete facelift work is done. I hope you enjoyed the video, and the result is also outstanding. I'm pretty much impressed with the facelift. And yeah, now let's discuss about the price. The bumper costed me rupees 23,000 rupees. The facelift, whatever the bumper, type 3 bumper it is, it costed me 23,000 rupees, and the painting costed me 8,000 rupees. So if you calculate both, then the complete cost is 31,000 rupees. Yeah, I will add the location in the description, the amazing work they'll do. Okay, if you want to know what all work I'm going to do, then watch the previous video where I have announced the Project Polo. There you will get all the episode details, what all work I'm going to do, so you will get an idea. Yeah, so guys, this was the first episode, and more episode is going to come, guys. Don't forget to subscribe the channel, you will get amazing videos. So I will meet you in my next episode. Till that, take care.